play, right.
Play, play, play.
And what was Jill playing?
Jump rope. Play, play. Jump, jump. Ooh, shiver, shiver.
And what was Jill wearing on this cold, rainy day?
A dress.
A dress. Only a dress. So what do you think happened next in Jill's story?
Jill got all wet and got sick.
She got sick? How come?
Because I didn't have my raincoat on, or my hat, or my boots.
See? You gotta have the rain gear. Okay. Let's see what happens next. Turn the page. So, Jill went to bed, and, what did she do?
She slept. She rested. Rest, rest, rest.
Turn the page. Oh, and then she drank lots of
Juice. Juice, juice, juice.
and soon she was feeling much better.
Much better. The end. Bye.
You know, you're really good at this reading business.
A clue, a clue.
No, you really. I mean, I wouldn't kid you.
No. A clue.
Oh, you see a clue. There's a clue here, now, and there wasn't before. Wow, right here in Jill's story. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Okay, we need to write down these vegetables. So, a carrot with the green stuff on top, and a potato with eyes, and a celery stick with some lines. Vegetables. There. Well, we have our last clue. Do you know what this means? We're ready for our